Hi, I'm Sarah Beth in the Urban Accents Kitchen, and I am here to show you step by step how to make one of our simplest, fastest, maximum deliciousness for your effort recipes, Baja Style Shrimp. You are going to need a pound of peeled and deveined shrimp, a pint of cherry tomatoes halved, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of our seasoning, half a lemon's worth of juice, and some chopped parsley for garnish. As you're warming your pan, you want to put in your 2 tablespoons of butter and your 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once your butter and oil are hot, you're going to add your seasoning. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of seasoning, not the whole packet. You want to stir it around for about a minute. This is going to bloom the spices. They're getting really toasted and it makes them more aromatic. This is one of the keys to a really well-seasoned dish, so don't skip this part. After about a minute, that's when you are going to add your shrimp to the pan, your tomatoes, and your half a lemon of juice. Once you've got your shrimp in, you want to turn your heat up to medium-high. That's going to cook the shrimp in about 3 minutes, maybe 4. You want to watch for them to go from transparent to pink and opaque. So it's been about 4 minutes. We are going to remove this directly to a bed of rice. We like to garnish this with a little chopped parsley. I'm going to pull some leaves off of the stems and chopping it really fine. We're going to sprinkle it on top. To complete this meal, add some crusty bread and your favorite green vegetable. Time for the best part, time to taste. I am going to get a little bit of everything. All right. It's so juicy. The garlic and onion base is so good. There's a little bit of lime, just a hint. There's some cayenne pepper. There's a little heat, but it's not too spicy. Oh, it's smoky and delicious. For this recipe and more, visit urbanaccents.com. We've got your back in the kitchen.